guys.
Hello.
We're gonna be making something for Aiden for his channel. So right now we have the snowflakes connector right in here, and our goal is to make
A basket?
as much as numbers as we can. And you guys will decide who will be the winner. Is it Aiden or Mommy? And we have 5 minutes to do it. Right, Aiden?
Yeah. There's a time limit.
I will let you know when it is time. Start. Now.
You need 7 pieces for number 1 connected. Oh.
One down. Number 2 is connected in the bottom. And then sit down. 4.
I got
Okay. And now I connect it in here. It says like that. And
This
like
is confusing.
these. And like that. And that. And I'm not even looking on that thing. I'm just assuming it's gonna look like that. I hope. Okay, then sit down. Okay, it's looking goofy. Doo-doo-doo.
Bad.
It's looking like a look at a number 2, right, guys? I think it is. Yes, it is looking like number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Do I look like number 2? What do you guys think? Number 2, right? It's like I am number 2.
Can I see it?
Hey. Not supposed to look at me. I am number 2. It's number 2. I think look like this is number 2. All right, number 2. Now I need number 3, guys. And then number 3. Number 3. Okay, getting ready. We are on what? 2 minutes down. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 2. Looks weird. It's like, doesn't even look like it's number 2. Or number 3 right now. Aiden, sit down. Okay, you can even put it right there. I don't need it. Look how good Aiden is. Man, I'm horrible at this. Okay, how many can we make? What did you make?
I made a 1 and I'm like halfway done to 2.
Okay, I'm almost done with number 3. Haha. Not even close. I wish. That is 3. I hope it looks like it's number 3.
5.
In my head, this looks like it's number 3. Okay, kids? Maybe it is, maybe it's not. But in my head, it is number 3. So I hope you guys vote for me and not Aiden, right, Aiden? No? Oh well. Pretty close. So, hey, look at that. That's number 3. Don't you think, kids? It does, yes. Number 3. Now I'm number 4. 1 minute left. We only have 1 minute left, kids. So I better finish my number 4. I don't think I'm gonna finish number 1, number 5, but at least I finished number 4. I think I can do it. We can do it. I can do it. I know I can. What are you talking about, Aiden? Have faith on your mother.
I want to spoil you. My 2 looks bad. Let me just say that.
Well, You kids will let us know, right kids? What number looks a little better? Not sure about mine, but heck, it might look a little better. Might be too much. Not sure. Oh dear. But I'm getting closer.
I'm not doing good.
And our minutes are getting closer on ending too. Oh my. Alright, I'm almost done. Number 4. Number 4, I just need to connect them. And we are almost done. Maybe? Oh no. Oh my.
This is my number 2. I'm gonna fix it a little bit. Okay, here's my number 2.
There is my number 4. Aiden have it. Doesn't look like number 4. I think it is. It's just
This is my number 2. It looks
oh,
really bad.
I need another one at the very end. And time's up. I got 1. You guys can see it. And Aiden, time's up.
Mommy definitely won.
1, 2, 3, 4. You guys can recognize it, right?
I can.
Look at Aiden's 1 and 2. Alright, let us know in your comments below how horrible mine is and how awesome Aiden is.
Mommy's is gonna be good. Mommy's looks pretty, mine looks horrible.
Okay, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoy Aiden's play.